Hi, my name is Rafa. I'm the youngest of all the I'm the son of Ogie. Lola Bobby has 3 grandchildren. Ate Bianca, Mikey, and me. And I always believed him when he said I was his favorite grandson. Because of course, I was the only boy. I remember that he still was very funny, even when he was in the hospital. There was one time when the nurse offered him a midnight snack that was a chicken sandwich, and Mamu didn't want him to have the chicken sandwich because they're full of sugars in it. Then when Mamu left, Lolo put the chicken sandwich inside the bag so Mamu won't know that he is gonna eat it. I didn't know that he put it inside the bag. So when Mamu came inside the room, I got hungry and I asked Lolo, "Where's the chicken sandwich?" And Mamu said, "What chicken sandwich?" and Lolo said, I don't know what he's talking about." And he's like giving me faces to not tell it. Like and then Mom was keep on saying, "What chicken sandwich? What chicken sandwich? What chicken sandwich?" And then Lolo screamed, "Tinago mo sa bag! Kulit mo!" When he was still alive, he calls me every night. He always asks the same questions, like, "What's your dinner?" Yeah, like the one she said. I give the same answers every time. For other people, it may seem normal, but for me, it was special every day. I love you, Lola Bobby, and I miss you very much. Before I forget, look for Lolo Eggy and tell him to give you a tour. I'm sure you both have a lot of catching up to do. I love you, Lola Bobby, and don't worry, we'll take good care of Mom for you.